Hello everybody, we'll see what is bubble sort today. Bubble sort is a simple sorting technique. It compares two consecutive elements and like a bubble, it goes on pushing biggest element at the last position. Suppose we have 6 elements 57, 91, 73, 34, 21 and 15 and we want to sort them in an ascending order. So pass 1 begins and it compares two adjacent elements, that is 57 and 91. 57 is less than 91, so they are in the appropriate order. So no change. Now it compares 91 and 73. 91 is bigger than 73, so the elements are swapped. It compares next two elements, that is, it compares 91 and 34. 91 is bigger than 34, so the elements are interchanged. Again, it compares next two elements, that is, it compares 91 and 21. 91 is bigger than 21, so the elements are swapped. Now it compares 91 and 15. 91 is bigger than 15, so 91 is pushed to the last place. So the elements are swapped here. We have come to the end of pass 1. At end of pass 1, the maximum element is fixed at the last position. Pass 2 is carried out only up to the last but one position from the beginning. Again it compares 57 and 73. 57 is smaller than 73. They are in the appropriate order, so no swapping will take place. It compares next to adjacent elements, that is, it compares 73 and 34. 73 is bigger than 34, so again the elements are swapped. Now it compares 73 and 21. 73 is bigger than 21, so again the swapping takes place. Now it compares 73 and 15. 73 is bigger than 15, so second maximum is placed at second last position. So at the end of pass 2, last two positions are fixed. You will observe last two positions are in the sorted order, 73 and 91. It starts with pass 3. Again starts comparing first two elements. 57 is bigger than 34, so they are not in the appropriate order and hence the elements are interchanged. So 34 and 57 are swapped. Now it compares 57 with 21. 57 is bigger than 21, hence elements are swapped again. Now it compares 57 with 15. 57 is bigger than 15 and hence the elements are swapped. Now last three big elements are placed at the appropriate position. So last three elements are in the sorted order, 57, 73 and 91. And pass 4 begins. It compares 34 and 21, they will be swapped, and then it compares 15 and 34, again they will be swapped. Like this and then like this. So at the end of pass 4, last 4 elements are sorted, 34, 57, 73 and 91. Now pass 5 begins. Only 2 elements are remaining. and in the same manner 21 and 15 are swapped. Now at the end of pass 5, all elements are sorted. So to sort 6 elements, 5 passes are required, and hence to sort n elements, bubble sort requires n-1 passes. Advantages of bubble sort: it is a simple sorting technique. It is a stable sort. Disadvantages: its running time is big O of n square, and so highly inefficient technique for large data sets. Thank you.